This secret pattern will change the way you trade gold. If you study technical analysis in gold trading, there's one unique candlestick pattern that you should know about. In this video, you will learn the meaning and the structure of this pattern. I will teach you how to recognize this pattern and how to trade it for maximum profits. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Let's start with the basic theory and let me show you how this candlestick pattern looks. This pattern is called the inside bar candlestick pattern formation, and it is based on two important elements. The first element is a strong bullish or bearish candle. Once you spotted such a candle, underline its range from its low to its high. The candlestick pattern will be confirmed when at least two consecutive candles will close within the range of the first candle. The first candle is called the mother's bar, and the consequent candles within the range of the mother's bar are called the inside bars. And you can see that here we see the violation of the range of the mother's bar with the wicks of the candle. It can happen. The main thing is that the bodies of the inside bars should strictly close within the range of the mother's bar. Learn how to trade gold in my trading academy. Watch how I trade gold live on VIP premium live streams. For more info, check the link in the description below. That candlestick pattern is one of the best indicators of the market consolidation and indecision. Once you see such a candlestick pattern formation, it signifies that the market is very weak, that the market is coiling, that it is trading in sideways. And moreover, it signifies that the market found the so-called fair value, where there is the balance between the market supply and the market demand. On one of my recent live streams, I spotted the inside bar candlestick pattern live. Watch how I used that for gold technical analysis. And then if we zoom in the chart and study the recent price action, here in a daily time frame, if you study the candlestick analysis, you should understand that we have a very perfect example of the inside bar formation. That is the so-called mother's bar, strong bullish candle. You can see that the consequent candles are perfectly trading within the range of that candle. There we got the minor violations of that. The main thing about the mother's bar is that the inside bars close within that. So all the bodies are perfectly respecting the range of the mother's bar. And what that candlestick signifies? That candlestick signifies the consolidation. That candlestick signifies the weakness. That candlestick signifies that the market is currently trading in sideways. The inside bar candlestick pattern is based on two important elements that you should always pay close attention to. The range of the mother's bar will compose two important structures. The upper boundary of the range will be a significant horizontal resistance, while the lower boundary of the range will be a significant horizontal support. The market demand, the buying orders will concentrate on the support of that range, while the sellers and the market supply will concentrate on the resistance of the range. Once you identify the inside bar pattern, the first strategy to follow is to trade it within the range of the mother's bar. For you, the resistance of the range will be a perfect area for selling. Once the price reaches the resistance of the range, you can look for selling from there. While when the price reaches the support of the range, that area will provide a nice zone for buying. With this inside bar formation, you should always remember that in this pattern there are two very important elements. The upper boundary of the range of the mother's bar is always a very strong resistance from where you can always look for selling, while the support of the range of the mother's bar is always a very strong support from where you can always look for buying. That is a very strong support where the market demand concentrates. And what happened with the market yesterday? The market reached that support. That support was tested, and as we discussed, inside bar signifies the consolidation, the sideways market, the indecision, And for that reason, after the test of the support of the Mother's bar range, we can look for a bullish movement from that. We can look for the movement up to the resistance of the range. However, remember a very important rule. Once you see the test of the support or the resistance of the range of the Mother's bar, do not open the trading position blindly. After the test, execute the multiple time frame analysis and wait for a confirmation signal first. One of the most reliable confirmations is the price action confirmation. And if we now study the intraday price action, if we analyze how the price acted on the intraday time frames, on an hourly time frame, we can easily spot a strong bullish confirmation after the test of that support. We formed a very nice double bottom pattern here. Yes, the price formed this double bottom. We violated its neckline with the high momentum bullish candle. It was broken. It was a strong bullish signal. After the test of our daily support, it provided a strong bullish confirmation. And yes, and now we see a consequent bullish continuation. So that is basically the technical rationale behind the current bullish movement on gold. For today, I guess it is more than reasonable to anticipate bullish continuation. I think that gold may easily continue growing. I think that gold can reach that orange resistance, at least its lower boundary. So realistically, 2,918 can be the goal for the buyers for now. Remember that quite often there will be the situations when you will miss the confirmations. If so, keep monitoring the price action because more signals will appear. I guess from the hourly time frame perspective, we just got one more bullish confirmation. We formed this falling parallel channel. We were falling within this channel. Yes, we got a minor bearish trend within this falling channel. And you can see that in the morning, the channel's resistance was broken. In the morning, the price violated the resistance of the channel. We closed above that. We retested that here. We were rejected. And yes, and we see a very positive bullish reaction after the test of the broken trend line. So that kind of the extra bullish clue that we see on gold now. Yes, so that is why the market looks bullish. Remember that the market cannot stay within the range of the inside bar candlestick pattern formation forever. As we discussed earlier, the inside bar formation signifies the local equilibrium and the balance between supply and demand. However, remember that at some moment, some news, some events will occur and it will create a new imbalance on the market, and the imbalance will violate the range of the Mother's bar. For you, a strong bullish signal will be the breakout of the range of the Mother's bar and the candle close above that. After that, you can anticipate a bullish continuation much higher, while a breakout of the support of the range of the Mother's bar will be a strong bearish signal. Each and every time when you see the inside bar formation, pay close attention to the news, because the news will be the main trigger for its breakout and violation. If you're looking for the next directional movement, remember that at some moment the range of the Mother's bar is going to be broken. And why the range of the Mother's bar will be broken? It always happens because of some important fundamentals. So when the market forms the inside bar, it just shows that the market participants are waiting for something. And now we have a rare moment when the market, when gold found the so-called fair value, the price range where all the market participants kind of agree about current prices. But when we see some surprising fundamentals, when we see some surprising negative or positive fundamentals, it creates the imbalance on the market. And very negative, for example, very negative geopolitical news, of course, will create the excess of demand on the market. And that will inevitably lead to the breakout of the resistance of the range of the Mother's bar. And that will be your bullish confirmation. So From the bullish perspective, if you're looking for some breakout continuation trade, then main focus now is on the resistance of the range. Yes, that's exactly where its upper boundary is. And if a daily candle closes above that, if we go up, if we violate that resistance, if we close above that on a daily, then with a high probability the market is going to continue growing, and then we are going to reach the resistance of the based on the current all-time high. Alternatively, bearish news, positive geopolitical news, or some positive, I don't know, inflation data can push the prices lower. Yes, and a breakout, a daily candle close below the support of that range will be your strong bearish signal, will be your strong bearish confirmation that will push the prices lower to that support. Let's see how the market acted after the live stream ended and where gold went next. After I finished the live stream, gold price went up and the upper boundary of the range was tested. Then, after some consolidation on that, you can see that the range of the modest bar was broken. The market broke and closed above that, and that was a strong bullish signal. After that, I immediately sent a signal on my free Telegram channel and on my TradingView page that the market is going to go higher because the breakout of the inside bar is a strong bullish signal, and you can see that then we got a strong bullish continuation and a bullish rally. That's how powerful the inside bar pattern is. Inside bar pattern is essential for both gold swing traders and day traders. This pattern provides a lot of profitable trading opportunities, being very simple to recognize. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you want to learn more powerful candlestick patterns for gold trading. Learn how to trade gold in my trading academy. For more info, visit my website, the link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos. I have more than 50 lessons about gold trading in my gold trading playlist.